everyone, and welcome to Open Library. As an educator, I am always thinking of ways to help my students inside and outside the classroom. One of the biggest obstacles my students often come across is how expensive books are and how sometimes they have to make great sacrifices to buy the necessary books for class. So I went on a journey hoping to solve this problem and came across Open Library. Let me be very clear that I am not a spokesperson for Open Library, nor am I affiliated with the nonprofit organization in any way. However, the awesome work they have done must be noted, and I believe is revolutionary and will change the lives of many for years to come. Open Library is an open source that allows members to register for free to borrow and read books from different genres. As you can see, currently I am on the website of Open Library. From there, you will notice I can browse, I can check out what books I have. I can click on more to see what other options are available. If I scroll down, you'll see recently returned books that were borrowed by users, the different genres they have from romance to kids to thrillers to textbooks to class literature, etc. So let's say, for example, you're a math teacher, you want to teach statistical methods. You can actually come in here, have your students register and borrow the book and have them follow along with you to read the book. Let's say you wanted to do a book in probability and statistics. Let's say you're a history teacher. You wanted to teach the students about history. You can come in here and actually find books on history simply by clicking on history and seeing what books are available in history, such as the March for Jobs, We the People, the Declaration of Independence, etc. Now, how do you become a member? To become a member of Open Library, all you have to do is actually sign up with a email, username, password, and the reCAPTCHA. You will get an email confirming that you have registered, and you will simply be able to come in, log in with your email. So I'm going to use my email as an example to show you. And you will notice that I am now logged into Open Library. If I want to see what books I borrowed, I can simply click on My Books, My Loans, and you will notice the books that I recently borrowed from Open Library. I can click on the book that I'm reading, right? Read ebook, and I will be able to read the ebook in my browser, or I can download the Adobe e-reader and read it right from my computer in case my internet connection happens to run out. I can flip through the pages, see what the book is about, etc. If I want to put notes in it, I can download the Adobe e-reader and put notes in my book. Once I'm done, I simply click on Return Book, and the book goes back to the library. I think this is a very unique and important website that many people should start utilizing, whether they want to read for fun, read to learn more, read to educate their students, or give people access to books that they otherwise wouldn't have access to. As a professor at many universities, I plan on using Open Library for the first time this year to assign books to my students in order to help them save a few dollars. Thank you for joining me. Please subscribe because I will be publishing and posting useful information that you guys can utilize every Monday. Tune in. Thank you.